There is something strangely thrilling about weapons that break every rule without breaking a single law. Gunpowder-free weapons are pushing modern engineering to new limits, and the majority of people still underestimate just how capable they are. This video dives straight into that space where innovation meets practicality, where legality and serious capability exist side by side, and where the margin between safety and power gets surprisingly thin. Let's dive in. Barnett XPX 420 Crossbow is built to deliver high-performance hunting power with lightning speed and compact strength and precise handling, made for hunters who need every shot to count in tight quarters and at long range. It launches 380 grain arrows at 420 feet per second and generates 149 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, translating into deep penetration and dependable impact at distance when accuracy matters. And that power stays usable because of how it is cocked. It carries an ultra-narrow axle-to-axle width just over 9 inches when cocked, letting the crossbow move cleanly through brush and blinds without snagging, and the fold-away foot stirrup shortens the footprint even further for quicker repositioning. And that tight profile changes how it handles. In the field, the heavy 210-pound draw weight is managed through the included self-retracting crank cocking device, allowing steadier setup during cold hunts or awkward angles without fighting the string. And that ease of use flows straight into its compact build. The CNC machined aluminum flight track stabilizes each arrow. As it leaves the rail, and the wide limb layout adds rigidity for consistent grouping when wind or pressure would normally push shots offline. And that stability highlights its control-focused design. An adjustable stock paired with a TriggerTech 3-pound trigger delivers a clean break and a comfortable anchor point for beginners and experienced hunters alike, keeping shots predictable under pressure, and that confidence carries into long sessions. Finished in Barnett Splore camouflage, it stays discreet in brush and shadow, and brings together speed and stability at a price of $650. And that balance defines its role as a serious compact hunting crossbow. FN303 Tactical. FN303 Tactical Less Lethal Launcher is a compact, modular compressed air-powered launcher engineered for law enforcement and military use, delivering versatile non-lethal options with precision and reliability. It is designed for operators who need a durable and adaptable platform for training, crowd control, and tactical scenarios. Equipped with an interchangeable FN SCAR buttstock adjustable for length of pull and cheek rise, and an AR pattern A2 style pistol grip, the launcher balances ergonomics and stability. It fires fin-stabilized Bot 68 caliber projectiles, including clear impact for training, permanent or washable paint for marking, and OC powder for irritant effect, giving users control over both practice and operational scenarios. Performance reaches up to 50 meters effective range, with a 15-round rotating drum magazine featuring a clear rear cover to verify ammunition instantly. Powered by a compact 3,000 psi compressed air tank, it delivers approximately 110 shots per fill, providing consistent output and readiness in extended field use. The launcher's optimized operating system doubles the service life of previous models, requiring its first routine maintenance only after 5,000 shots, and when the stock is folded, the unit measures just 20 inches, enhancing portability in tight environments. FN303 Tactical Launcher typically retails between $2,150 and $3,210, offering a high-end solution for professional operators who need durability, modularity, and precision in one compact package. Taser X-2 Defender. Taser X-2 Defender is a professional-grade, less lethal electroshock weapon built for law enforcement and civilian defense. Designed to stop threats through neuromuscular incapacitation that overrides the central nervous system for a full 5-second cycle, and that purpose defines everything it does. It features a dual-shot layout that provides a second deployment without reloading, giving a critical backup when the first probe set misses or when multiple threats close distance, and that second chance can decide the moment. It is built for real confrontations where pain compliance is not enough, delivering involuntary muscle contractions that temporarily remove physical control and work even on people with high pain tolerance, which explains why it is trusted when outcomes matter, and that reliability sets the stage. For how it deploys force, it supports a 15-foot safety range in civilian use, creating meaningful standoff distance so action happens before physical contact, and that reach anchors its defensive role in real-world scenarios. Powered by a replaceable performance power magazine, it delivers roughly 500 full 5-second firings, keeping the device ready for long-term storage without constant battery swaps. And that depth of power reinforces confidence over time. At a price of $800, the Taser X-2 Defender delivers dual-shot assurance and full neuromuscular incapacitation at a controlled defensive range. And that balance of capability and readiness defines its value. Pixeon JPX2. Pixeon JPX2 is a high-performance non-lethal pepper spray gun built around a pyrotechnic propulsion system that fires a potent liquid jet with consistent power in any condition. It replaces traditional aerosol pressure with a patented primer-based charge, so there is no pressure loss over time and no performance drop in extreme temperatures, which makes it a dependable tool for professional agencies and civilian defense. This foundation sets up a device focused on immediate stopping power and accuracy. It launches its payload at up to 590 feet per second, giving the jet enough force to push through glasses or masks while keeping you at a safe 23-foot distance. The agent itself uses a police-grade 4000 Scoville heat unit formula, and the combination of velocity and heat creates fast disruption with controlled direction. That speed becomes the anchor for the next major feature. The magazine carries 2 separate charges, so you get a true follow-up shot without reloading. Each charge fires independently, and the system works without batteries, which keeps operations simple and reduces points of failure in stressful situations. This dual-shot layout leads naturally into its defensive practicality. It is waterproof and shockproof, and the jet delivery design minimizes blowback and wind deflection for both indoor and outdoor use. With a price tag of $345, the JPX2 lands firmly in the premium self-defense category. Grimburg TYR is a high-powered non-lethal defense platform built for home and personal security, using firearm-grade components to deliver serious force in a compact rifle setup. It is built for anyone who wants a defensive option with strong stopping energy without stepping into lethal territory. Equipped with a 7-inch barrel, it delivers approximately 64 to 65 joules of muzzle energy, giving each shot real impact in close-quarters situations. It fires standard Bot 68 caliber projectiles, including Grimburg's dual iron and nylon composite rounds and chemical irritants like CEs. So users can choose between physical deterrence and crowd control style effects. It carries a 9CI air tank that maintains enough pressure for roughly 40 rounds per fill, which supports extended defensive use without constant refilling. It uses the Barnett TCR 7-round magazine, keeping feeding consistent and familiar for anyone already using that platform, and that compatibility adds practical value. Price lands at $1,200, positioning the Grimburg TYR as a premium option for users who want maximum non-lethal power in a compact and dependable package. Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher is a full-size polypropylene baseball bat built to be virtually indestructible for training and recreation and personal defense. It is molded from heavy-grade high-impact polymer that outlasts traditional wood or aluminum, and its toughness is the core of its identity. It is precision injection molded from heavy-grade polypropylene, and that material resists cracking and rotting and splintering and fading while staying completely unaffected by weather. The structure holds a 34-inch length and weighs about 13 ounces, which is roughly 2 pounds 7 ounces. And the handle measures 1.13 inches with a 2.19-inch tip diameter. That balanced size makes it strong and predictable in motion, and it supports the next layer of versatility. It works as a regular game bat and a warm-up bat and a practice tool for strength training, and it also serves as a crossover impact trainer for martial arts. Its rigidity and weight let it function as a self-defense instrument when needed without sacrificing its primary purpose as a sports bat. The price is $38, making it an affordable, durable, and long-lasting choice for players and trainers, and anyone who needs a tool that can handle hard use without failing. Asylon Drone Dog is an autonomous ground security robot built on Boston Dynamics Spot and enhanced with Asylon's PupPack payload and Doghouse charging station to deliver non-stop patrols and real-time threat detection. It is made for high-risk and industrial sites that need continuous automated surveillance and rapid alarm response without relying on manual intervention. It features high-resolution electro-optical and thermal cameras with 20x optical zoom, giving it precise day and night visibility that picks out details a fixed camera would miss. That imaging power becomes even more valuable when the robot moves through environments too challenging for standard ground systems, setting up the next advantage in its design. The quadruped layout handles stairs and rocks and uneven surfaces and slopes up to 30, reaching areas inaccessible to wheeled robots. Powered by GPS RTK for sub-meter accuracy, and wrapped in 360 obstacle avoidance, it follows pre-programmed patrol routes or diverts instantly to alarms when triggered. It carries a max speed of 3.6 mph, and its endurance sits at about 90 minutes per charge, which fits into the Doghouse system for automated docking and resets. Ascento 2.0 is an advanced autonomous security robot built to patrol and protect outdoor environments with precision and endurance. Its unique two-wheeled bipedal design lets it navigate rough terrain, climb obstacles, and recover from falls without human assistance. It features enhanced vision with 5 times better side and rear coverage and double the forward detection range compared to the first generation, giving operators a clearer picture of the environment. The high-resolution thermal camera detects intruders, fires, floods, and overheating equipment with 160% higher resolution than previous models, making thermal monitoring far more reliable. Battery life reaches 8 hours, double the original's runtime, with autonomous charging that keeps the robot ready around the clock. Its wheel-leg hybrid design maintains stable movement on rugged surfaces at a walking speed of about 3 miles per hour, ensuring steady patrols even in challenging terrain. Integrated speakers and microphones allow secure, encrypted two-way communication with operators, keeping control and alerts seamless and reliable in real-world deployments. Elythor Morpho is an industrial-grade inspection drone engineered to combine quadcopter precision with fixed-wing efficiency through a unique shape-shifting wing system. Its patented adaptive morphing wings offer 4 degrees of freedom, letting each wing expand, contract, or pivot independently in real time, which harnesses wind for energy and reduces resistance to maintain stability even in harsh weather. It features a hybrid VTOL tail-sitter design, taking off vertically like a quadcopter to operate in tight spaces, and then transitioning to horizontal flight for long-distance, aerodynamic travel. This system works with intelligent battery algorithms and wing adjustments to cut power use by up to 85% during vertical flight, compared to conventional drones, extending inspection time and range. Built for industrial inspections, the Morpho carries specialized payloads for monitoring complex energy infrastructure, including wind turbines, high-voltage power lines, and offshore oil rigs, delivering detailed, reliable data with unmatched efficiency and versatility. PaintCam Eve is an AI-powered security camera system built to defend a property by identifying intruders and launching non-lethal rounds on impact. It is meant for anyone who wants active protection that goes beyond passive monitoring, especially homeowners who want real-time deterrence instead of relying only on recorded footage. It features a built-in launcher that fires non-lethal deterrents like paintballs and tear gas pellets, and that mechanical reach gives it real stopping power without crossing into lethal force. The camera integrates advanced facial recognition and remote control through a smartphone app, creating a setup that reacts instantly while keeping the owner in full command. Equipped with ammunition options in the .68 caliber range, it can fire standard paintballs and marking paintballs and chemical irritant rounds. Those choices matter in the real world because standard paintballs offer visible tagging, UV paintballs help identify intruders under inspection lighting, and irritant rounds introduce temporary disorientation during a break-in. AI-driven detection powers its awareness. The onboard computer vision and deep learning engine, which the company calls EVE, manages motion detection and object tracking and low-light operations. The current standard retail price is expected to be around $2,165, placing it in the premium class of home defense technology. What you have seen here proves one thing clearly. Gunpowder-free does not mean powerless, and legal does not mean limited. These weapons exist because smart engineering replaces chaos with control, delivering real capability without crossing legal lines. As technology keeps pushing forward, the real advantage goes to those who stay informed, not by chasing hype, but by understanding what actually works and why. If this breakdown added value, hit like to support the channel, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay connected, because this category is evolving fast, and what comes next will be even harder to ignore.